In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to fix this issue in Sky. As you can see, it says there is a technical issue. Please try again with an error code WGT8. So I'll guide you through all the steps in order to fix this problem. So how to fix Sky error code WGT8. As you can see, a lot of people are facing this issue. So the first step in order to fix this problem is try to restart your Sky Q box and TV. So try to restart your the Sky Q box and TV to see if you can solve this problem. If you have do so, but you're still facing the same problem even after restarting your Sky Q box and TV, then this error is caused when your Sky Q box isn't updated or it's too old. So this error, which is WGT8 in Sky, it's caused when your Sky Q box isn't updated or you are running all the software update. So to fix this issue, just update the software on the Sky Q box by pressing the home button and then go to settings, then system info, then software version, and then setup. So in order to fix this problem or error code, just update your software. So go to, on the home page, go to settings and then choose system info and then go to software version and then setup, and you'll be able to update your Sky Q box to the latest firmware. If you've do so, if you've updated your software or it's in the latest update, but you're still facing the same error code, then I advise you to contact Sky support and they can help you troubleshooting what may be a problem. But so far, this solution can help you fix this problem for Sky error code WGT8.